My name is Ashley Moncalieri and I am a senior here at SUNY Morrisville. I've been in this internship program last summer and now this summer, and it's a lot about taking care of these horses that have worked just so hard for us and need some help getting back into work, feeling healthy again, and feeling the best. The most valuable thing that I've learned is definitely that we have to have patience for these animals. They don't think like us a lot of the times. They're very smart, very intellectual, and they have their own feelings. So we have to try and help them as much as we can and look into their behavior, not just write it off as them being bad. It's helping me to get comfortable working with all of the modalities that we have here, getting comfortable working with all kinds of different horses, and it's helping me to prepare for my career in rehab in the future.